Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make art on OpenArt Creative. So basically in OpenArt Creative you need to apply for that program, but what I'm going to show you right now is how to create an art using the OpenArt AI. So what you're going to do here is you just have to simply use from any of this or any of the feature here in OpenArt AI. For example, if you want to use this vlog, all you need to do here is just select a character and then add a prompt. But unfortunately, you need 1000 credits for this one. And as a basic user, we only have 40 credits. And if you want to upgrade, just upgrade your OpenArt AI plan. So as long as you have enough balance right here, then you can make art on OpenArt. Now, since we cannot use this feature because we only have limited credits, then you can go to the left side and then look for other features right here. For example, generate image or video. You can just basically add correct prompt right here. So there are choices, for example, text to video, image to video, elements to video. So let's just say we will be creating an art here using a prompt. So all you have to do is to add a prompt right here. You can ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for you, and always take a note that you only have limited credits. So we're going to use this one in order for us to create an art or make art. Now, what you're going to do here is you need to add prompts in order for you to generate image. Also, if you're going to use this video option, you also need to add correct prompt. And as you can see, it is now generating, and this is the result. So basically, this is how you create or make an art here on OpenArt. When it comes to creative, then you need to apply for that program, but actually it's the same thing. In creative, you will see there create from scratch, text to image. It's the same thing, same procedure. Sketch to art, that is sketch to image. Image to image, which is also the same. Advanced creative features like in painting, out painting, train custom models, community models, flow app, and workflows. Prompt book and templates explore the gallery. But actually, if you go to that specific creative or workspace, it is just the same feature, and all you need to do is just add some prompt, correct prompt, and choose creativity style, edit, and basically that's it. So that's how easy it is also to make art and open art creative. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.